Congratulations on finishing your final exam. Now the last step is to clean up your computer. You might have a bunch of stuff on the desktop, like these folders here. You're just going to select them and drag them to the trash. You notice the trash can is currently empty, and when we put things in it, well, maybe yours isn't currently empty, but mine is currently empty, and when you put things in it, it shows that it now has stuff in it. So afterwards, we need to make sure we actually empty the trash can. Next, we're going to go into the folder we created at the beginning of the year with our name on it. It should be located under Users, if you don't know where it is, and select your period. And then under Pictures or wherever you created it, there is your folder there with a bunch of stuff in it. Make sure you back up everything that you want to keep before you move it to the trash, and especially before you empty the trash. You're going to right click or control click to get the option to empty the trash can. So there's empty the trash can, and it will give you a little warning. Everything is going to be permanently removed. So go ahead and delete or remove or empty the trash. Now all that is 100% gone. Now let's clean up the dock so that we're not distracted by all these other things. Again, control click or right click and you get the option to remove from dock. Not everything can be removed from dock, and if it's on the right side of this line, then it's just showing that these are programs that are currently open, and on the far right are folders. And when you're done with that, go ahead and take a screenshot showing that you have the empty trash can and a cleaned up dock, and put that screenshot into Canvas. And then after you're done, take that screenshot, put it in the trash, and empty the trash, and that'll be the final step for completing this end of the year computer cleanup. Awesome work. Congratulations and happy summer.